About to try the, how do you say it? Owhata or Owhata? Owhata. Yeah. Okay. So what do we get? Sweet lamb curry, steak and cheese. Oh, steak, bacon, mushroom and cheese, and seafood. Is that for me?
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Counter follow.
Sorry.
Well, I got the steak and cheese.
And I got the seafood one, so.
Just gonna give it a quick bite.
I like the taste of you already.
Yeah, sure.
Pull that.
Doofy. Sweat. Not like it's bad.
You know, baby.
Not as good as hers, but that's alright. Same. Here for the taste though.
Yeah.
See if it's way better. Pastry's
I give the pastry a 10 out of 10. Oh, I like that. Yeah.
The mad part. Look, it's not even falling out.
I didn't know you could do a seafood pie, but this is good.
Stacked with heaps of steak, the gravies, and
it's not too thick, but it's not dripping out.
it's not dripping. We'll say moist.
Moist is a word.
Not the word.
Oh, not the word. But look at this. It's like creamy. I've got bacon. Oh, wow, bacon. It's a seafood pie. It's crab. I got crab and you know what? It's just a seafood pie. It tastes really good.
I think if it came even earlier, it would have been even better. But regardless, even though it's warm, it's still good. Yeah, so I give it say like in the 9, around the 9, but 8, 9. I won't give it a 10. I don't think anything would get a 10. I still like it though. Like, I'm not saying it's bad. It's still up there.
Well, the seafood pie, I'll give it a 10. It tasted like seafood chowder pie.
Now I'm going to try.
Oh, you get
Sweet lamb curry.
just. I'm doing the steak, bacon, mushroom, and cheese.
Yeah, sweet lamb curry.
Our kids are asleep. We fed them. They're not watching us eat. Ooh, what's the interesting inside?
It's got sweet potato.
That's good.
Sweet potato with lamb. I haven't hit the lamb yet, but looks like it's got pumpkin in it as well.
I got steak, bacon, mushroom, and cheese. I put the cheese. It tastes nice.
Nice.
It's so nice. That's all. Put it on the inside. Yeah. I give it a 9.5. But it was worth the drive. Rotorua. Rotorua? Rotorua Owhata Bakery.
Different areas.
No, but it's in Rotorua. Considered to be in Rotorua, I think. So, worth the drive. Yay! We are back at Owhata Bakery, and we got corned beef paua. Paua? We don't even know if we like Paua. So this is what it looks like. Let me try.
You can see the corned beef. You haven't eaten
Wow.
Paua yet. Have you?
The Paua's the top.
Oh, it's the top.
That's nice.
Oh yeah? You like it?
I like it. I've never had Paua, so I didn't know what to expect. Well, this is nice.
Yeah, call me boring. I'm the normals.
He got
Steak and cheese.
and steak, bacon, mushroom, and cheese. And then I got the creamy seafood again. But this one's really nice. I wanted to try the creamy mussels because I do a creamy mussels there, but let's not get greedy. We don't have that much stomach space, so. That's so good. Yeah. I like that. That is so good. So far, our favorite bakery is Owhata. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy this type of content, please subscribe and we'll see you in the next video.
Thank you, watchers.